Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Uncle Bear, nice to have you back. Today we're going to be looking at what I have in my range bag and maybe some other things that I teach the range. So before we get going, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Now let's get to it. Alright, so let's take a deep dive into my range bag and see what's in it. So we're not going to start with the top yet. Let's start over here in this side, on the Molly side. So, I have a flashlight, if it ever gets dark or you need to do something and it's kind of dark. Spare batteries. Snap cats from my rifle. I actually got this from Tac Pack. Let's see here. Pens. Markers. Knife. This is for my my ear pro, which you'll see later. A little screwdriver with a magnetic tip at the end. Lighter. What else? Oh yeah. A2 style post or any front style or any this is basically a adjustment tool for your front post sight or for any front sight. Then I have these Allen keys and I have a hex set for just about anything. So I have I believe this is metric. Bear with me here. I know. Oh, this is the Torx. One of these two is either metric or imperial, or vice versa. So that's it for this side here, or in here. And I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. Hopefully you can see that. So in here, there's elastic for like for mags. There's like, I'll show you. So these, the top one is for like pistols. The bottom one is for I'm sorry. The top one is for rifles, and the bottom one is for pistols. So what I would like to do is for this side, I would like to dedicate this for like pistols and stuff like that. So I would like to get another pouch to put on here with Molly. So on here, in this zipper, I have my gloves. You guys seen these before? I have a video on these. So that's it for this side. It's gonna be fun putting all this back together later. And actually, while you're looking at the front, this is a thermos, I guess. Actually, I got this from Amazon for free. I think it was last year. For some stupid reason, I was getting a whole bunch of free stuff from Amazon. Most of it was actually pretty useless, but hey, whatever. If it's it's free, it's for me. So that's it for that. And like you see here, is you put your water bottle, whatever. So let's go to this side. Now here is where I have all my mags, my rifle, and then these are just here for demonstration. Rifle, pistol. Like I said before, I'd rather have this side for a pistol. For now, I'm working with what I got. So and then over here, I have a speed loader for a pistol. That's it for this pouch. That's it for that side. Over here, I have a steel target I got from Tac Pack. This is the hanger for it. So this I used to use as my dump pouch, as you can see here. I have a video about this explaining why. Well, actually, I have a video of a new dump pouch that I'm using instead of this. So, but yeah, since I have the new dump pouch, I put this back on the bag. So this came with the bag, and then over here, I have tape, these clips, and these bigger clips, so I can hang up targets, like cardboard targets and whatnot, to like whatever range I go to. Put that really quick. Let's see. Did I get all that? I believe I did. Yep. Okay. So let's get to the main event. So in here is the main cargo pocket. It's the main pocket actually. So on this side, I have a binder of targets. Whole bunch of targets. I have it, organized. I like organization. So that's that. I have a notepad for writing notes if I need to, write something down or something. So then on this side, I have a stapler. My wife got this for me. It was actually pretty cheap. Then I have the staples, obviously. Measuring tape if I want to measure groupings or if I want to measure distance when I do zeroing my rifles and stuff like that. Then I don't really use this, but my wife got me this with the stapler. It's a stapler remover. Now I use this. This is a obviously you guys know what this is. This is a clip for a phone, but I don't have a shot timer. So what I do is I use an app on my phone as a shot timer. It's not the greatest, but at least it helps. That's it for that. So now let's go in the middle. I have my range hat. Yes, it's a range hat. Don't laugh. My ear pros. These are the Peltor range cards, I believe. Yeah, Peltor range cards. I absolutely love these. I actually got these at Walmart for about, I want to say, $50 to $60. They're actually really, really good. Then I have a set of binoculars. These aren't really that great. Like when I went to a range around my area, it was really hard to see what I hit. So I'm gonna upgrade to better ones. But then again, I really don't use this anymore because when I was trying to resume my rifle for the first time, I was trying to do a 50-yard zero, but then I heard about the 10-yard zero. I'll link those videos in the description. So I heard about the 10-yard zero, and actually it works out well for me. So then I had a whole bunch of spare earplugs, but all my friends use them. So I use these just for myself if I need to double up if I go on an indoor range. And then I have like a fire kindle, I guess, or what is this? Actually, I got this from Tac Pack as well. This is a fire starter actually. So I use this. So when I go out in the woods, because a few of my friends go out in the woods on the quattros and whatnot, instead of using bug spray, a whole bunch of like chemicals and bug spray, we just start, do like a little campfire so the bugs don't bother us while we're shooting. And then on the ends, we'll start with this side. I have my range shades, and then a pair of safety glasses. Yep, that's it for that. And then on this side, I have cleaning stuff like rags, with some wipes and some Q-tips. I had COP, but I used it up cleaning my gun, so I'll have to get more. And that's pretty much it for the what's in my range bag tour, I believe. So, I'm sorry guys, I didn't even mention what kind of bag this was. This is the Anti-Star Vism. They're both the same company. Competition range bag. I believe I got this either on Optics Planet or Amazon for a fairly decent price. I had this for about a year. I have no complaints other than, where is it? No, it's on this side. Other than this actually came out, which I'm gonna see if my local tailor can fix this. I don't have a sewing machine and I'm not that great at sewing, so I'm gonna see if he can fix that for me. But that's the only issue I found with this range bag. Other than that, it's a great product. It's held up great. Couldn't ask for a better bag. I don't know if you can see in the frame, but to my right, there's some targets that I usually take to the range. As far as other things I take, I usually take like two ammo cans, one with 9, when I go shoot my wife's pistol or when she wants to go shoot, and the bigger can is 5.56 for 223. I also have a rifle case that I take too, obviously for my rifle. Now, what I would like to also get, so when I go out in the woods and whatnot, I would like to get a shooting mat. What else? Yeah, I think that's it for this bag. Like I said, I like this bag. I like the color. It was a good price. So, yep. Alright guys, and that's the video. Let me know what you guys think. If you like the bag, if you want to get one yourself, just put it down in the comments. So yeah, that's it. Like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.